today we're diving into trading in crypto. Trading in crypto is a little bit different from trading in forex. If you're used to trading in forex, trading in crypto, we have multiple options. Arbitrary trading is a system where you find a gap between exchanges. What do I mean? Say, for example, Binance. A particular coin is trading in Binance for, say, let's pick a particular coin. Let's use Trump. Trump is trading in Binance for, say, uh, $13. $13. And in another exchange, say Bybit, same Trump is trading for, say, just give you an example. Say it's trading for 16.5, 16.3. You see that? Now, people who do arbitrage, their business is to go from one exchange to one exchange to see how much is trading. So, as soon as I identify that this is trading for 13 here and it's trading for 15, what I'll need to do is to go to Binance and buy Trump and then move the coin to my Bybit account. In my Bybit, I sell for 15. I have made about 2.3 per each I buy. So if I buy 1,000 units of Trump, I would have made $2,300. If I buy 100 units, I would have made about 100 and something dollars. Now, this is equally arbitrage for USDT. You see some exchanges, they have different method of payment. Some of them use card payment, some of them use bank transfer. And so you can see, I think this, where I did this very much then was in um, in Gate.io. In Gate.io. USDT. Then the official exchange at Binance was 720 or 723 thereabout. But at Gate.io, I could still buy because I was using a payment gateway, transfer payment gateway, and I was using 400 and that 416 or 4, I can't remember exactly how much, but say around 400 or something for one USDT. So what I go to do here is I go to buy USDT at 400, and that was in Buhari's regime. So that's plenty time towards his last tenure when dollar went to 700. So we'll buy. But of course, you're going to do KYC, know your customer before you can buy through. So we'll buy through that and buy at 400 or something and move the coin to Binance. You can see the difference. Can you see the difference? You know, Nigerians were heavily used Binance at that point. So this price were updated. And these exchanges were very not too known by Nigerians at that time. So we could buy at, people were listing coin at 14. If you use their transfer system, not the card, if you use the transfer option, there's a, I've forgotten the name they call that particular transfer protocol they were using to do it. So you can buy USDT at 414 and sell at 7. So imagine if you do a transaction of 1,000 in a day, you're already sitting pretty well. You get what I mean? So that's arbitrary trading. It involves a lot of information. You need to, it involves moving from one exchange to one exchange, looking for gaps. Sometimes the gaps are just 0.4, 0.5. They may not be significant, but when you do large volume, that's where it becomes significant. So you buy from one exchange, pay the exchange fee, move it to another exchange, and then sell there. Usually, you do P2P, peer-to-peer transaction, and you sell, or you sell, you use their fiat or their card system, pay, get the money, and the money drops in your card, in your either debit or credit card. So that's essentially uh, arbitrary trading. So basically, you're looking for a gap. When we look out for a gap, so the work now is to look for a gap where there are gaps. Which of the exchanges? But today the exchanges are closing their gap so tightly. So sometimes gap might exist. There might be change in exchange price, and one exchange is aware, the other one is not aware yet. You just take advantage of that. And people who do arbitrage know all the exchanges where, what you do is what you know. They know everywhere where they could find such this thing, and that's basically what they do. They don't do anything else. Arbitrage is less risky, if we use the word. There's nothing in crypto that is not risky, but you could have less, smaller risk you can take. So it's just buy from here. But every standard, if you buy the colors, the state, if you don't sell, you hold it for a while. Some hope they don't dump it on you. That's one of the risks. You could be dumped. But when you buy the more established crypto project like the USDT, USDC, the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, chances of dumping is so slim, very significant. Unlike when you buy other projects that they can dump on you. Any question there? There's question there, let me know. The next one is the peer-to-peer transaction. If we go to Bybit now, you see we have the platform for peer-to-peer transaction. Um, Peer-to-peer is an opportunity for you to transact, sell your coin. You can sell the coins you already have, or the tokens you have, and then exchange it for fiat money. It's essentially a transaction where um, the exchange acts as escrow. They act as escrow for both transactions. Number one is, let me go to peer-to-peer section here. This is peer-to-peer. Can you see P2P? This P2P trading, you have zero fee. So I go to P2P. A lot of people are making multi-million doing P2P transaction. So in crypto, you choose the kind of trading you want to do and you stay on that. You can as well do everything. That's the truth. You can do what you want to do here. So in P2P transaction or peer-to-peer transaction, that's the real word, the peer-to-peer transaction. Basically, what you're looking for is, I want to be able to buy and sell. I wake up early in the morning, and here's the thing: the secret to peer is that late in the evening, price will usually will drop. I don't know why their bookies are not even doing better, because it's similar to what they do. But in their case, they buy dollar. Here, you're not buying dollar; you're buying USDT, or you're buying whatever currency you want to use to trade. Is that making sense, guys? Is it making sense? I'm training this in for some of us who are here who may not know how to do pet. So here is the, clearly you see this is the exchange rate. This is how much this person is selling. Is exchanging USDT for 1,661. Now, as you begin to go down, you see different prices for different quantity, different prices for different quantity. So we keep going down 1,000 for 90. So basically, if you check earlier this morning, you notice that some of these prices were really low. You can see 1,658, 657, 655, 652. as the case may, middle in the night, you can find different prices. So you can come and begin to search. This is the peer-to-peer platform. I'm selecting buy because I want to buy. Now, every one of these person who have listed their coin here, now I set this to update every, so I can change the feed to update every 15 seconds. So every 15 seconds it will update mine. So I can come here and change the time. I could set the time to not now, or I could say every 20 seconds update, right? So every 20 seconds it will update, it will give me update of the price. If price has changed, it will let me know. So this person, for example, now, whatever his name is, this how much he's selling. Assuming, and he has about between 4,500. Okay, you see, has changed. New figures are coming up. These people are not eligible to trade. Maybe the country where they are from, maybe where they violated some rules, so they be suspended, so they're not eligible to trade. So basically, most of them they have the USD. So this person, before you Bybit will list your USDT, because I remember someone who said I lost money here. I don't know how you do. This is one of the safest way to trade. This is USDT, basically your USD. It's not coin that increases in value. You're just taking advantage on your country exchanges, and you can change it to any currency. This is Naira. You can come and change whatever currency you want. If I want to trade in other currency, maybe I'm in Ghana, I could choose Ghanaian currency and trade. So there are several currency you can trade. If I move to UK now and I have some USDT, I could come and change it to Great Britain pounds, and then if I have account they can pay into, that's my account is in my name, they will wire the money in my account there, and guess what, I could do transaction in UK. So basically, but I'm in Nigeria now, so I'm setting my default currency to be in Naira. I'm trading Naira to the USDT, right? So I'll basically, for everyone who have listed their coin here, you must have that quantity of coin. So what this person has is 4,700 to 7,000. That's the range you have. So basically, you have to look at, don't look at what they have here, is what they are willing to sell. This person has 132.96 USDT, but what is willing to sell is 4,700 to 4 to 7,000. This other person is selling, this is the rate, 610,000 to 650 million USDT. That's what this person is selling. If you want 650,000, sorry. Oh, sorry, I bet it. From 610,000 to 650,000. That's what this person is. He has about 400 USDT to sell. So as you keep going, you keep seeing different volume of USDT they have. This is the Naira, this is the USDT. So you can come here and put how much you want to buy. If I want to buy, say, amount here in Naira, if I say I want 10 million, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and that's what I want, it will give me, this is search, I will see people who are willing to transact up to 10 million USDT, 12 million worth of USDT. So here I have about 10 million USDT. These people are selling 10 million USDT, yes, and this is the price. So if you want to buy now, you simply click, but they're not eligible. Some of them are not eligible. So maybe I should reduce this to 10,000 USDT. So this is right. Yes, this person has about 6,000 USDT. Right. Yes. This is about 5. No, sorry. This value is in Naira. Please, this is 10,000 Naira. So this person has about 6,000 USDT, but his range is between 10,000 to 10,700 and whatever. So you're seeing the range in there. Naira, the range. So go ahead.
You are using USDT, no? Is it same as US dollars?
Yes, USDT is equivalent to US dollar because it derives its power from US dollar. So it's almost like one USDT is equals to one US dollar. But you can still trade any other currency apart from USDT. You select what, if I want to trade BTC, I select BTC. So these are people who are willing to sell BTC and are willing to buy BTC. So you change the currency. So here you change whatever crypto or token you want to buy. but you want to buy in naira. You have your naira, you want to buy. So here, this person have about 1,175,000 worth of BTC to sell. This is the range. So these are the range. This is the total number of BTC that this person has. If you want to buy one full BTC here, you can do for one full BTC. As long as you have your money, you buy. So you see different prices for BTC. Now, assuming you want to buy Ethereum, is available. If you want to buy USDC, remember I say USDT and USDC, they both derive their strength from US dollar. So this is USDC. So this is the price of USDC, 1,655. So basically what I need to do is buy, keep, and then wait for the value to increase. Maybe towards afternoon, this value would have increased to 1,000. I go to sell. This is the sell option. I go to sell option. So you can see 1,659. There's 4 naira difference from the price. Please go ahead.
Okay. On the chart you are showing, please, sorry for interrupting you. No I can see 1,659.62 NG, and that's Nigerian naira. Is that quoting the current exchange rate for a dollar?
These are how much these people are quoting. They are saying this is how much I want to sell. And you know what is in price. If you say this is how much I want to sell, and I don't agree with you, you will not say, after a while you adjust to the real price. So yes, they look closer to the exchange rates, but different people with different amount of money they want to sell. So you respect how much they say they want to sell. If you're willing to buy their price, you buy their price. Some will quote low, some will quote higher.
Okay.
But it gives you an idea what the exchange rate is. Do you understand?
Yeah, I've seen three of them that are slightly different. Okay.
You get that?
Yes.
Okay. So it gives you an idea of how much the exchange rate is going, but you see different people. So these are different individuals. Now, these people didn't just come to quote this price. Before you list your product, like this person who listed to sell, number one is that you deposit those number of coin or whatever project it is to Bybit. So Bybit holds it in their escrow account. You don't have access. Once you deposit it, you don't have access to it again, except you cancel this order. As long as this order is showing here, you cannot withdraw the money. You cannot remove the money. The money, that coin. When I use money here, I'm talking about the cryptocurrency or the token or the currency itself, the coin itself, is with Bybit. You can't take it. As long as it's listed here, the owner can't take it. Now, if I come and say, now before I list to sell, I must have it before I list to sell. Before anybody, the other person is buying, remember, it's a collection of buyers and sellers, right? So there are buyers and sellers. So here, I'm interested in selling. I will come and list my coin here. I want to sell. But the coin, I must have listed the coin here before it will show here that I want to sell. So anybody who wants to buy will come and look at sell and look at my prices and make this. So now look at this one. This one is 1,860. That's how much they're selling. But if you meet their condition, even though it looks high, you must meet their condition. This is their payment term. Payment must be in Volet.com. Do you have the account? Do you even know how it works? This one said in cash in person. If you are going to sell cash in person, you bring the cash and then you buy, right? I must warn you too, some of the EFCC officials come to list these things here. By the time you come to sell, they will arrest you. So you have to be careful when people say, I want the person cash in person. So this person, if you give me cash, I'll give you the coin. So be careful with cash in person. Transaction can be done on. Are you seeing the amount they are putting? This amount they are putting. So this amount they are putting now will ginger anybody to go and do cash. Now this person wants Zelle. Zelle is essentially a US account. So if you have a US account Zelle, you can transact with this person. This is the amount. He's putting out his project and he wants the money in Zelle. Cash in person. Cash, so several cash in person. So you must state the condition. Payment method. So I can come to filter and say, I want to sell my coin, even though I don't have a coin. If I have a coin, I'm going to sell now. I'll say show only verified people, show only people who advertises, show only eligible people, add with no verification required. So some people put their verification. If I want those that without verification, I'll click this and then I'll streamline my search. I could say the highest or lowest I want to buy, or people who have completed order. I want people who completion rate is high. I just want everybody. I can include the time, people who have completed their payment in the last time in 15 minutes and in 30 minutes. So I will just screen some people off. So if I put this, it will change the people who are here. So I will see only verified people. These are only, can you see? These are only verified people. These are among their selling. These are real amount. This is within the range of those 1,800 or something. There are special conditions attached to it. So if you meet those special conditions, that's when you can trade. So I can come here and say, oh, this person is selling for 1,660. You see, we saw the other place for 1,000. We saw for 1,550, right? So I can buy 1,550 and come here and list my own for 1,660. And somebody will buy that, make 5 naira. And as the day go, price will rise, price will keep increasing, and people can make the right decision to buy and sell. Basically, this is peer to peer. Does that make sense? People of God, does that make sense? Now we're moving to spot trading. So when spot trading, what's spot trading? I explained part of spot trading yesterday. Spot trading is a situation where you have coin or you have your money. You list out your coin, especially you trade between stable coin and non-stable coin. For example, there must be one stable coin to trade spot. Usually a coin that derives its power from US. So you have usually the pairs here are BTC, USD, USDT, BTC, USDC, ETH, USDT. Basically, and you can have BTC, ETH. Yeah. Yes, you can have this. What it simply means that I'm trading between BTC and USDT. So I sell my USDT to buy BTC, and maybe price goes again, I convert it back again. So basically, you can trade spot with two pairs. Know the fact that you have to trade with two pairs. There's usually two pairs to trade here. You're buying one and you're selling the other, and you're selling the other one and you're buying the other one. Basically. Now, the good side of spot trading is it does not require prediction. You're not predicting price. You're not speculating to earn. No, far from that. What you simply do, you're buying assets and sell when price increases or even decreases. Right? That's basically what it is. I share with us the ones I bought. I set some pending order for a BTC hit 93,500. I want to buy BTC using my USDT. And when BTC gets to, when it gets to, say, 110,000, I want to sell. So you can do the mathematics. Imagine I buy one full BTC and it hit 110. I would have made appreciable amount of money. But if I can't buy, I still have a USDT. Say I have 500. I could buy 500. Yeah. And when it gets to 10,000, I'll sell. So if I have, say, 500 USDT, right? So I could just use buy 500 worth of BTC, and when it gets to this price, I'll sell, and then probably I will be making some profits. I'll be making some profits here. We'll have, if it's normal mathematics, we'll say to buy 500 times divided by 93,500. The money would have grew to say 588. Let's leave the point. It will grow to this. So how much is my profit? I've made 88 from that transaction, right? Then I'll wait again. When my condition, maybe price will retrace down again, I'll buy again. Now, instead of me to just buy BTC and hold it and be waiting forever, anytime it gets to one, I'll now sell. I can be using the money to trade. I'll buy, price go up. And really, if you look at the charts of BTC, you clearly will see up and down movements. Okay, so you can see this movement. So price will go up here. When it comes down here, probably I sold here. It comes down here, I'll buy again. It goes up here, I'll sell. It drops down again, I'll buy again. It goes up here, I'll sell. If it's dropping down again, so you see a whole lot of opportunity exists if you look at the chart. If you're looking at chart, there's a whole lot of this movement up here, somebody will make money from it. And the thing is that if I buy, assuming I bought here and price came down here, I can decide to take loss and say, okay, you know what? My 500, if I take loss, maybe it would have dropped to 480 or 470 at this point. But as long as I know I can decide to leave it, it will come here and price will go up again. I would have made the profit here. Do you understand? I don't have to take it out, except I know that if I close it, I'm going to enter from here so that by the time it comes up here, I'll cover and make profit. It's just about your strategy, really. But here's my strategy: I buy, I hold until it hit TP. It will close me in profit. I'll make profit, and then wait again. So if I'm trading with 500, you find out that over a period of time, I would have grown the money, especially if I'm consistent following market trends, especially in trending markets. So the downside of spot trading is that you don't make money in bearish markets. You trade spot trading only in a bullish market. And the good news is that we're in bullish market at the moment. So you make money only when you buy. Make money only when we buy and sell at a higher price. When we buy lower at a lower price, and sell at a higher price. That's the only time you make money. Anything outside this, you lose money. You cannot sell higher. You cannot sell higher. In fact, you don't even sell what you don't have. So it's like your normal commodity. You buy, you hold on to the commodity, but here is an asset, and then price rises, you sell, and you make money. Basically, that's how it works. Right? So there are a few platforms we're going to be using. It's going to drop in. I dropped you can create, if you don't have a Bybit account, I sent a link on the group. You can claim a bonus. Once you use that link to buy, you have access to a bonus. You can claim. Once you tap on it now, you have access to the bonus. You can claim. You can claim your bonus today. You create your account and then you can fund your account if you like and use the demo to trade. You can create a demo to trade. And basically, this is TradingView. But this is Bybit. We'll be using to trade. So this is one click. It's a possibility. You don't always win every trade you play. Sometimes you lose. You just take your loss and say, okay, it took time for me to. But again, people who do this transaction, they look for network that is very fast. Do you understand? It could use like Solana network that's very fast. So if you are going to transact, you're not going to use uh, what they call it, um,
Ethereum.
TRC20. You might have to use Solana network or any other network that's fine. That's why you see there are different projects. Some project their advantage is that they have the fastest transaction. So it's almost like when as you are sending, you are receiving. So you would have done your research. Do you understand?
Yes, I get your point.
So that you can just click immediately and it drops the other place, and then you have the coin you can offer them to sell, and you sell immediately and collect your money. You can go to peer and sell it. So arbitrage will eventually will end up in peer-to-peer, or you can use like you see before, you see one click buy USDT in Naira. So if I put my listing and trade you seamlessly, buy P2P in multiple payment options. So the P2P give me multiple options, but with this, I could buy once I trade, follow up this now, register now to buy. I could buy with at a lower fee. Now look at this. If I say, let's say I'm buying 10, what's the rate? Yeah, we calculator here, sir. But this calculator is for sorry. So I'll be receiving USDT 5. So if I say 10 USDT, this will be 16,800. You see how it's fluctuating? It's dropping. So this is for peer-to-peer. So you have bank transactions. Bank this as your option. These are some of the options you can use. You see, you have different options here. Money pay is 1,613. Can you see? This? If I click on this money pay, now if I don't have this money pay account, I will not be able to pay. But with money pay, now you see, I will buy it cheaper than the current amount is traded. So I will make profit here. I'm already seeing about 15 naira difference already with the money pay. Sorry, with the moon pay. So if I have moon pay, I can follow through this, put my moon pay details, and I'll pay. On ramp is more expensive, right? You can sell, and again, the same thing. If I want to sell, cheaper cash is more expensive. So if I have cheaper, so some of these people who do all this, they have all these accounts. They have this cheaper cash, so they can use it to sell their account more expensive. But they buy with this and sell with this. You can even do everything still on Bybit. So I buy this still on Bybit, pay, sell with this, make more money. And they are easy to follow process. So all you just need to find out, how can I have a cheaper cash? This cheaper cash application now, you download it, probably set up your account and then fund it. For it to be here, it means authentic. Bybit will not put it in their platform if it's not authentic. Right? These are all third-party payments. But this is the Bybit's application. So you can sell for 1,855 per USDT. So you see, there are opportunity everywhere, but you don't know. But if you're doing bank transaction, is 1,680. This is bank transfer. So bank transfer is even more expensive than the original price. Do we get that?
Yes, we do.
Okay. So moving on, our time is fast spent. Tomorrow we're going to get into the nitty-gritty on how to trade, how to set up a spot trading account, how to trade spot trading account. But for today, if you're new to Bybit, I just walk you through Bybit. This is Bybit. Anytime you want to come back to the home page, you click on Bybit, it brings you back to the home page. So here, buy crypto, you have P2P, one click buy, fiat deposit, so you can deposit Naira. You can convert your USDT to BTC and vice versa. Crypto deposits, you can deposit crypto. I can move crypto from another exchange to here. Then I come to the markets. I have the spot markets and the trade. It's as easy as that. That's what it is. And you can sell, you can buy, you plug your account. If I have USDT, let me see if I think I have USDT. I can sell. I can sell, I can buy. If once I do, these are options you can use to buy. There's even a Bybit card, debit card. You can get a Bybit debit card and use it to transact. I'm sure there's going to be advantage of buying a Bybit account or using a Bybit account, basically. So, like I said before, if you want to do, sorry, I was just walking us through the platform. So, trade, you have spot trading, you have future trading, then you have options. Options. Yeah, future trading is like we call them perpetual trading. They are like speculating, like your forex. I've explained it before. Them. It's like you speculate. Price is going to go up. I buy here. This is the price where I buy. If it gets to here, hit TP, close me out, stop loss. It's just like normal forex trading. So you make money while you buy, you make money while you sell. You lose money when you buy, you lose money when you sell, depending. If you miss the direction, you lose money. If market go according to your direction, you make money. That's the future of trading. You get that? Here you can trade any pair, any two pair can cross, any cross pairs you can trade. Okay. So you can even trade here. You can even trade gold and FX. You can use trading view, leaderboard, trading board. They have some trading board you can use. You can use Chat GPT, and then you can do copy trading. You look for traders who are doing well, connect your account to them, and copy what they are doing. You mirror what they are doing. As they are making money, you make money, right? Uh, Finance, you can learn, buy big structure products, crypto loan. You can take loan. Yeah, I can come here and say I need loan. You can fix rates for your loan. You have fixed rate loan. You have card. You have OTC trading. In case you trade OTC, you can have OTC trading over the counter here. Uh, if I want to do loan, I'll click how much do you want to loan, but I need coin as collateral. So I stick coin as collateral. So if I have like 2,000, I say I want to take, maybe I have BTC and I don't want to sell my USDT. I don't want to convert it to USD because it's going up. I can come and say, okay, I want to take a loan of USDT of say 300 for a business quickly. And then this is my collateral. I'll use my BTC as collateral. This is far more than if I say the all. So this is what I can take. This is the amount, the highest amount I can borrow. This is maximum I can borrow. But if I say I want to borrow only 300, I can quickly take loan here. Once I click on borrow now, they'll give me what's the interest. I have 12.77% annual. This is annual rate. Whatever that translates, this is in a whole 1 year, right? So instead of me to sell my coin and use the money I can take loan and use the coin I have as collateral, right? This is only BTC, right? Okay. So my BTC is I can change and use another crypto as my collateral. I can just change what other thing I have here. I can use it as collateral, and then do what I need to do and then return the money. Here's the summary. So liquidation. Okay, this is the margin call. If BTC gets down to 87% of its current value now, okay, they will liquidate. I'll have margin call. When the BTC gets down to 95%, if it dumps, do you understand? If BTC dumps to 95% minus 90%, 95%, they will liquidate whatever I have and use it to pay my debts. Right? Okay. So that's basically what that is. So they liquidate and use it to pay the money I borrowed. basically. So that's it. I could fix my low rate. And I want to pay so amount of money this month. Next month I pay this. I could spread it. It's my choice. So guys, basically this is trading cryptocurrency using Bybit platform. Tomorrow we're going to explore maybe 2 more platforms we're going to introduce, and then we'll do spot trading, how to spot trade. Okay, if you have questions, I'd like to take your question. Next 2-3 minutes, I'd like to take your questions, and the answers or no questions, this is where we call it a day. Remember, spot trading is an opportunity. Anybody can do what it means that anybody can add this to their streams of income. You can become an aboki straight. You can do P2P by yourself. You go and buy anytime they say dollar to this thing drop. Use the money you have in your bank account, use it to buy USD and leave it. When they go up, sell it. You can do that one by yourself. That one's easy. You can do daily, every day you come up. There was a time I was trading 1 million naira. I grew the money. Every day, early morning, when price of BTC drop, I'll use it to buy BTC. During the day, between 2, 3, 4, price will rise. That's usually when the price rises. I'll sell. I'll wait again tomorrow. Price drop again, I'll buy. So I'm growing the money in my account without necessarily fixing my money or giving my money to anybody. Just doing pay to P, growing it. Now, spot trading is another thing you see I'm doing clearly now. My spot trading, I'm trading my spot trading. I am doing my thing on myself. I said when price go up and drop down, I buy. It goes up, I already set it by default and I sell. Tomorrow, I'll take you through that, how you can do that by yourself and how you can do your analysis on TradingView, setting up TradingView account. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is where we'll draw the curtain for today. From me to you again, my name is Jide Nwabode. I'm your host today, and let's do this again tomorrow. If you have questions, I'd like to take your question right now. Otherwise, let's do this again.